When in Bohol, hindi pwedeng mawala sa inyong itinerary ang fun and exciting water activities. And what better way to fuel up for a full day ahead than with a hearty and complete meal, courtesy of the breakfast buffet ng The Bellevue Resort dito sa Lamian Modern Filipino Cuisine.
Mabuhay! Dadyan mo sa Lamian!
We make sure na yung buffet namin, lalo na sa breakfast buffet, important po yun sa 5-star hotel. We make sure that we have a great spread. We have a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables. We have a lot more vegan dishes and vegetarian options. As well as we really try to highlight what's famous locally, whether it's the mango, sikwate.
More than its breakfast buffet, Bellevue's Lamian Modern Filipino Cuisine is also applauded as one of the best restos in the country this year by Tatler Philippines.
Tuwan-tuwa rin po kami na na-feature po kami sa Tatler dahil po dun sa mga nagagawa namin masarap na Filipino food. Una-una, syempre, nandyan yung aming trademark Filipino restaurant, Lamian. Famous po kami right now for doing 2 types of Filipino food. We have what you call Filipino forward. Yun po yung the classics well done. Yan po yung mga recipe ng lola mo ng kaldereta, yung namimiss mong sinigang na nanay mo. But at the same time, meron din kaming other side of the menu, which we call Forward Filipino. Ito yung mga Filipino dishes with a twist of Filipino food items or produce, pero cooked in a foreign way. So meron po kaming mga exciting po na dishes dyan tulad ng sinigang risotto, bacon kare-kare.
Unang-una yung naramdaman ko ay talagang wow, napaka-proud. Na-recognize na kami bilang restaurateur at hotelier. Na-recognize rin yung hirap at pagtsatsaga ng mga kusinero at yung mga lahat ng tao sa pagsikap at paggawa ng mga masasarap na mga dish from start to finish.
Once you've had your fill, it's time to hit the outdoors and explore the surrounding beauty of the resort. At isa sa pinaka-popular activity for guests ay ang mag-island hopping, kung saan maaari kayong mag-dolphin watch while cruising along the beautiful waters of Panglao. Pwede rin mag-kayak sa nearby mangrove forest. A perfect activity for those who just want to enjoy some quiet me time in nature.
Welcome to episode 4.
If you're looking to take a break from your busy itinerary, head on over to the Bellevue's newest outlet, ang Flujo Lounge.
Isa po sa abangan natin ay yung Flujo or Lobby Cafe, kung saan may kultura po na nag-join at it's still Filipino with a twist. In terms of the design and the culture, gusto din po namin dalhin yun sa storya ng mga restaurants na meron kami. And we want to incorporate also our culture from the South. Yun po yung birth ng Flujo.
Flujo, which is a cafe that is inspired by the galleon trade. We feature a lot of items that are both found in the Philippines and along the way to Mexico. So whether it's sikwate drinks that feature tablea, for instance, or coffee, beverages, and concoctions, we also have a lot of cocktails that feature rum, for instance, as well as the different food items that you can see during that journey.
I like the service here, and also I like how it is. Yung vibe niya is chill lang. Spanish latte is one of my favorite. We have a lot like macchiatos and like white mocha and all that stuff. But my favorite here is Spanish latte. You should try it.
Oras na ma-re-energize na kayo whether from your favorite beverage or cocktail, balik dagat lang kayo uli dahil ang dami pang pwedeng gawin dito sa Bellevue, gaya ng water sports. Kung tamang chill ang hanap nyo, pwede kayong mag-crystal kayak, stand-up paddleboard, at sailboat. If you're the thrill-seeking type, why not hop on a jet ski for that awesome water adventure? If you want to discover the beauty and majesty ng yamang tubig ng Bohol, ba't di nyo itry mag-scuba diving?
Here sa Bohol, sobrang ganda ng reef, sobrang ganda ng marine life dito, sobrang abundant, ang dami mo talagang makikita.
Sobrang ganda po. May iba pong mundo dun sa ilalim. Maganda yung nasa land, pero may ibang ganda yung nasa dagat talaga. When you dive, it's really a different world and it's really good to realize na part yun ng mundong to.
Pihadong matinding gutom talaga ang aabutin nyo sa dami ng water sports and activities that you can enjoy sa Bellevue Resort. At bilang pambawi sa lahat ng carbs na na-burn nyo all day long, this resto is the perfect place for a well-deserved meal. ang Marea Alfresco Dining.
Another outlet naman po is Marea. It's our all-day dining and seafood restaurant. Siyempre, wala pong bakasyon na tabing dagat kung walang seafood na masarap. Isa po sa mga features ng Marea ay yung aming fresh crabs. We also offer whatever is seasonal, whether it's oysters, pampano, or bangus, kasi we also grow some of them offshore. So we really try to find a way to make sure na kung ikaw ay foreigner, lahat ng comfort food mo hinahanap mo, meron din dito. Para po tayong Pilipino, pag nag-abroad tayo, naghanap tayo ng kanin, hindi tayo nakakapagtiis. So we also try to find a way to make our foreign guests feel at home while they're here.
And while you're enjoying your dinner, ba't di nyo padalhin sa next level ang inyong dining experience by ordering your favorite drink from Marea Bar? Truly an unforgettable experience and a worthwhile stay ang hatid ng luxurious sanctuary that is Bellevue Resort Bohol. At para di nyo masyadong ma-miss ang inyong stay dito, before you leave Bohol, pwede kayong dumaan sa kanilang airport kiosk before departure.
We have the Bellevue corner there, and it gives you an opportunity to try some of the favorites that you couldn't have the opportunity to try while if you're staying in a different part of Bohol, but you wanna taste Bellevue signature dishes. We have tablea and asintibo cookies. We also have ube and queso de bola cookies, as well as tablea crinkles, signature pastries that our guests can take home, of course, together with our famous ensaymada.
So if you're looking for a perfect place to relax, unwind, and rejuvenate, why not book a day or two, or even a week, dito sa Bellevue Resort Bohol.
Inaanyayahan po namin kayo na bumisita hindi lang sa Bohol, but lalong-lalo na sa The Bellevue Resort. Sisiguraduhin po namin na hindi lang masarap ang makakain ninyo at maganda ang mararanasan ninyo. Makikita nyo rin po yung magagandang aspeto ng kultura ng mga pagkatao ng mga Boholano. Balik-balik po sa Bohol.
Gusto ko sana kayong imbitahan na pumunta sa Bellevue Bohol. Mag-spend tayo ng few days sa resort. Mag-relax, mag-enjoy ng pagkain, take it easy, take it slow. Pagpasok mo sa resort, kita mo agad yung magandang tanawin, unang impact mo at saka yung huling pag-alis mo sa resort, yun rin yung nakikita mo.